Hello students, I welcome you all in your EVS class. Children, today we are going to continue our chapter number 17. Here comes a letter part 3. Okay. Yes children, as we have seen last day postcard, right? After that, what here it is written, see, visit a post office near your house or school. Observe how letters reach here and are sent from there. How it reaches there and how it sends. After observing, you can find that there you can find many different things also. Not only letters but rest of the things also, right? Just have a look. What else you can see over here? Here you can see that postman is standing. There it is written. Different pictures are given. Stamps are given. Right? Greeting cards, different parcels, many more things. Let's see what are the things we can find in post office. We can find postcards, envelopes, money order, stamps, international mail. Even for going outside, we need passport. We find that also here. Letters, military mails, parcels, and also we can exchange foreign currency. What does it mean, children? Foreign currency is different, right? We can exchange with our country currency over here. Okay. Yes. Now see the next thing what we can see in this chapter. Here two girls are sitting. What they are doing, let's see. What is this? What are Razia and her Appa? Appa means, yes, you have seen earlier also, saying to each other about letters. They were saying each other about the letters. Okay. The small girl, what she says, Appa, do you know, today we learnt about the journey of a letter in the class. I want to write a letter to Nani. What she says that I want to write a letter to Nani. I have learned a new chapter, that is, here comes a letter. In this chapter, I have seen the journey of letter. Appa says, you can write a letter. I am going to make a phone call. What she is saying that I am going to make a phone call. If you want, you can also come. Okay. She asked that if you want to come, you can come along. You can also come with me. Razia and Appa went out to make a phone call from a shop in the village. Appa dialed the phone number and both of them talked to Nani. They gave money to the shopkeeper and returned home happily. What happened? They called. She was saying to write a letter, but Appa said, no, I am going to go and make a call so that I can directly talk with her. I can get her voice too. Yes, children, you can see that a girl, small girl, she is asking for writing a letter, whereas Appa is saying that she will be making a phone call. There is some similarities between this. Phone call also we are going to send the message, and also in writing a letter we are going to send the message, and these both are available in all places, in all over the world, right? And there are few differences also. Let's see what is the differences and similarity which we find in both phone call and letters. Similarities are both are used for carrying forward the messages. That we have already discussed, right children? That by calling we are getting messages. We can pass the messages. Even by writing also we are passing the messages. Both can be used anywhere in the world. Right? It can be used in any of the corner, any of the place you are staying there. And what is the differences, children? In phone call we can hear the voice, but not in the case of letters. We can't hear their voice. Letters take some time to reach the destination. It has some process. But when you make a phone call, it goes directly to the person to whom you are calling. Instantly you can talk with them. You need not to wait that when it will be passed, who will take it to the receiver, then. But in letter there is a process. They have to follow certain process, certain steps, right? But the thing is that phone call is costlier and letter is less costlier. It does not charge so much compared to phone call. You will say, ma'am, phone call is free right now. Yes, but there is a recharge you have to do, right? Now if you want to go for a mobile call, you can say that there is no need to give mobile any money. No, but there is a recharge that mother and fathers are doing, right? If recharge is not there, you won't be able to call. So compared to later, phone call is more costlier. Okay, understood? Yes, good. Now children, you are going to make one activity, right? You can see here telephones are of different types. Draw picture of telephone you have seen. If you have seen in your grandfather's house, or in any of the movie or cartoon, or in mobile, you can draw that. Okay, later on let's see the next thing. What all purpose can this telephone be used for? For what purposes telephones are used? You're going to write that also. Make your own telephone. For this you need 2 empty matchbox or ice cream cups and threads. What you are going to need? You are going to take matchbox, ice cream cups and threads. Okay. You will make a hole on both the side, maybe of matchbox or ice cream cups. Pass a thread through it and make a knot through the holes and make a knot, right? After making a knot, use that for talking with your friends. As you are not getting friends at your home, you can do this thing with your grandparents or your brother and sister. If you don't have anyone, please have this thing with your parents. Okay, your telephone is now ready. Ask your friends to put on one end of the phone near to his ear and you hold the other end close to your mouth. Now you speak with the help of the speaker which you have taken near to your mouth. Take care that the thread remains straight and does not touch anywhere. It remains straight and it does not touch anywhere. Start talking. See this picture, children. You can understand it. See? If you will talk in this way, you can able to hear it. Okay? Yes, it's a time of assessment. First question. Except letters, what else we can get from post office? Okay, you have to name them. 7, 8, 6, whatever you feel, you can write those. Okay. Next, we wrote a letter. We also made a phone call. What are the similarities and difference between a letter and a phone call? You have to write those differences and similarities. Okay, which we have already discussed in the video. If you can recall it, you can definitely able to write it. Okay children, for today only this much. Stay home, stay safe. Listen to your elders, brothers, sisters, parents and also to your teachers. Eat fresh fruits and vegetables, especially seasonal. Do not fail to drink water. Daily do yoga or exercises. Keep your environment clean. Do not throw dust here and there. Please use dustbins. Plant more and more trees and make your environment more and more green. Thank you children. Stay blessed.